In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to Bluebeam Studio Session. First, you want to go to the left here to open Studio, and you want to go to Sessions up top. Then you want to open the session where you want to invite someone. So for example, this one over here. And then you simply want to go and basically click either over here where you can see Share, or you could also go and click on a random document and click on Share top right. Now, whenever you do that, it's going to allow you to basically invite different people. So you can invite someone by either clicking copy session invitation link, which will copy your link, and then that way you'll be able to basically send them a link which they'll be then able to click on and join your session. Or you could also click on type or paste emails, or of course email from groups or address book, etc., and you can click on over here. You can type in their email just like this. I'm going to do myself right now. There we go. And then here I can click on check and include emails. Click on that person and click on invite participants. Now that way they will get an email and they will get invited, okay? That's the first way. The second one, as I said, you can add them from groups. So if you have any groups, you could go ahead and basically add members from those groups and then include those emails in there. Or you could also go and add them from your address book in case you have any people in there as well, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.